If you're looking to rank content faster and smarter, using AI and SEO tools together is a game changer. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to harness both to maximize your content's ranking potential and stay until the end because I've got a special free trial just for you. First off, let's talk about the power of combining AI with SEO. AI tools can automate many of the tasks that traditionally take hours, like keyword research, content optimization, and even content creation. When you pair that with SEO tools, which help with tracking search performance, you get a serious competitive edge. Start with your keyword research. Use AI-driven tools like Jasper or ChatGPT to generate keyword ideas based on your niche. The AI can suggest long-tail keywords that are relevant to your audience and can give you suggestions on how to naturally integrate them into your content. You'll be miles ahead by having these keyword clusters ready before you even begin writing. Once you've selected your keywords, take it to an SEO tool like Ahrefs or SEMrush to analyze the competition. These tools can tell you what search terms are ranking high and give you a complete picture of your keywords competition. This is crucial because you don't want to target keywords that are too competitive. Aim for those that strike a balance between search volume and competition, and AI can help you refine that list with just a few clicks. Now, let's talk about content creation. Use AI tools to quickly generate high-quality SEO-optimized content. ChatGPT or Jasper, for example, can help you write articles that are not only engaging, but also include all the keywords you want to target. Make sure your content stays conversational and provides value to the reader. This is what will keep people on your page, reduce bounce rates, and help with rankings. Once your content is ready, SEO tools like Yoast or Surfer SEO come into play for optimization. These tools analyze your content for keyword density, readability, and structure. They'll tell you if your headings are optimized, if you need more internal links, or if you need to add some additional keywords to make your page even more SEO friendly. Next, optimize your metadata. AI tools can help generate meta descriptions, titles, and alt text for images that are SEO friendly. You don't want to miss out on this because search engines rely on this metadata to understand what your page is about. AI can speed up this process, making it easier for you to tweak it quickly and make sure everything is optimized for search engines. One of the final steps is tracking your results. Use SEO tools to track your rankings, organic traffic, and other important metrics. AI can help analyze the data and give you insights into what's working and what's not. This feedback loop will help you make better decisions and refine your strategy as you go. Here's the key takeaway from this video. Using AI and SEO tools together is the fastest way to scale your content and get it ranking higher. AI can automate the tedious tasks like keyword research and content creation, while SEO tools give you the insights and tracking you need to optimize your strategy. The combination of both is a winning formula. Quick revision of the main points. Start with AI-driven keyword research, follow up with SEO analysis tools to track competition, use AI for content creation, optimize with SEO tools, and don't forget to track your results. Also, make sure to leverage AI for metadata optimization. And finally, remember that if you want to follow along with the tools I mentioned, I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below. Don't miss out on that. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to grab that free trial and take your SEO game to the next level.